Not all cameras are built for filmmaking. Some lack essential features, while true cinema cameras can cost a fortune. I tested the best beginner-friendly filmmaking cameras to help you find the right one without breaking the bank. Whether you're into cinematic storytelling, YouTube content, or just starting out, there's a perfect camera for you. In this video, I'll break down the best cameras for beginner filmmaking in 2025 based on features, budget, and performance, so you can make the right choice. And you might also find some surprises for you, so make sure to watch till the end to catch them. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Fujifilm X-M5. If you're diving into filmmaking on a budget, the Fujifilm X-M5 is a fantastic starting point. It delivers stunning 6K video at a price that's hard to beat, making it one of the most affordable yet capable mirrorless cameras out there. The 26-megapixel APS-C sensor ensures high-quality footage with rich details and vibrant colors, while open gate recording allows you to maximize the full sensor height, perfect for flexible aspect ratios like 16:9 or vertical video for social media. One of the biggest strengths of the X-M5 is its compact and lightweight design, making it an ideal travel camera. It also gives you access to Fujifilm's legendary film simulations, letting you achieve cinematic color grading straight out of the camera without extra editing. Plus, the vari-angle touchscreen is great for vlogging and framing creative shots. However, it does have a few downsides. No in-body stabilization means handheld footage can get shaky, so you might need a gimbal for smooth shots. The single UHSI card slot is also slower than what you will find in higher-end models. But for a beginner-friendly 6K video camera at this price, the X-M5 is an absolute steal. Number 5. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. It is the ultimate compact mirrorless camera for content creators who want high-quality video in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. Whether you're into vlogging, filmmaking, or live streaming, this camera packs a serious punch for its size. The 26-megapixel APS-C sensor delivers sharp 4K 60p video with 5.6K oversampling, ensuring excellent detail and color accuracy. Sony's real-time eye AF and 759-point phase detection autofocus make tracking subjects effortless, whether you're shooting people, animals, or products. Cinematic vlog mode and S-Cinetone color profiles give your videos a professional, film-like look straight out of the camera. One of the biggest strengths is its interchangeable lens system, giving you access to Sony's E-mount lineup, from wide-angle vlog lenses to cinematic primes. The vari-angle touchscreen makes framing shots easy, whether you're shooting horizontal, vertical, or selfie style. Plus, 5 GHz Wi-Fi and USB 3.2 allows seamless live streaming and fast transfers. However, it lacks in-body stabilization, meaning handheld footage might need extra smoothing. And while the NPFZ100 battery provides 195 minutes of video recording, power users may want a spare. Overall, for compact power, versatility, and cinematic quality, the ZV-E10 Mark II is one of the best beginner filmmaking cameras on the market. Number 4. Sony ZV-E1. It is a game changer for solo filmmakers and vloggers who want premium 4K video quality in a compact, lightweight body. It's essentially a mini Sony A7S III, packing a full-frame 12.1 megapixel sensor that delivers exceptional low-light performance and gorgeous cinematic visuals, all at a lower price. One of its biggest strengths is Sony's AI-powered autofocus, which keeps subjects locked in focus even when moving. The auto-framing feature mimics a camera operator by intelligently tracking your movement, making solo shooting feel professional. S-Cinetone color science also makes footage look film-like straight out of the camera, meaning less time spent in post-production. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization is another standout, smoothing out handheld footage without needing a gimbal. Number 3. Canon EOS R8. Best value full-frame camera of of 2025. This is a fantastic entry into the world of full-frame filmmaking, offering impressive video quality, powerful autofocus, and a lightweight design. With a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, the R8 delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent low-light performance. Its 6K oversampled 4K video at 60 frames per second ensures ultra-crisp footage, making it an ideal choice for both content creators and filmmakers who want cinematic visuals without breaking the bank. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is another standout, offering fast and accurate subject tracking for people, animals, and even vehicles. At under a pound, the R8 is one of the lightest full-frame cameras, making it a great travel-friendly option. The vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from different angles, whether you're vlogging or capturing cinematic shots. However, there's no in-body stabilization, so a gimbal is recommended for smoother handheld shots. But here's the surprise. There is a huge $195 off now at Walmart. You should definitely catch it before it's too late. If you want full-frame power in a compact, affordable package, the Canon R8 is a brilliant choice, especially for filmmakers looking to step up from APS-C cameras without overspending. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX. It is an absolute powerhouse for hybrid shooters, offering top-tier video specs and impressive photography capabilities in a rugged, compact body. At the core of the S5 IIX is a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor with 6K 30p video recording, making it one of the most affordable high-quality cinema cameras on the market. The 779-point hybrid autofocus system is a major upgrade over previous Lumix models, offering faster, more accurate subject tracking. However, it's still not as advanced as Sony's real-time tracking. For handheld shooters, the 5-axis IBIS provides rock-solid stabilization, allowing for smooth, gimbal-like footage without extra gear. The dual UHS 2-card slots ensure plenty of storage for high bitrate recording, but no CF Express slot might be a deal-breaker for some professionals. One of its biggest strengths, it doesn't overheat even during long recording sessions, something that many hybrid cameras struggle with. However, light metering can be inconsistent, requiring some manual tweaks. But here's the surprise. There is a huge $300 off now at Panasonic. Don't miss this chance, guys. Overall, for the price, the S5 IIX delivers insane value for both video and photo work, making it a must-have for hybrid creators. Number 1. Nikon Z6 III. This is a game-changer in the mid-range full-frame mirrorless market, offering a perfect balance of photo and video performance. Let's start with video performance. This camera is a beast. You get 6K by 60p internal and RAW recording, plus oversampled 4K UHD for ultra-sharp footage. And if you're into slow motion, you'd love the 4K by 120p and Full HD 240p options. Nikon also added a high-res zoom feature, giving you 2x digital zoom in HD and 1.4x in 4K without losing quality. Now, autofocus. This is where Nikon has leveled up. With deep learning AI tracking, the Z6 III detects subjects faster and more accurately, even in low light as dark as 10 EV. Whether you're capturing fast-moving action or cinematic portrait shots, it locks on with precision. The electronic viewfinder is next level. At 4000 nits brightness, 120Hz refresh rate, and DCI-P 3-color accuracy, it's one of the best in its class, making shooting outdoors effortless. Downsides? No built-in CF Express slot. And while autofocus is improved, it's still not as feature-packed as Sony's latest models. But here's the surprise. There is a $300 off now at Amazon US. I would definitely catch it before it's gone if I were you. Overall, the Nikon Z6 III is easily the best all-around camera for hybrid creators in 2025. And that's a wrap for this one. Hopefully, this guide helped you find the best beginner filmmaking camera for your needs. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you looking for a compact vlogging camera, a full-frame powerhouse, or a hybrid option for both photo and video? Drop your choice in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.